My talent is to solve equations. I love solving equations, and I think I'm good at it, and I found it extremely easy to solve them. So that is my talent. And I'm going to solve an equation and explain how to solve it. The equation is 3x plus 12 equals to 4x plus 19. The first thing you have to do is to isolate x on one side of the equal sign. We already have 3x on this side, so we're going to move 4x to this side. And by doing that, the operational sign will change for the opposite. So instead of plus 4x, it's now going to be minus 4x. Equals to, we already have 19 here, so we're going to move 12 on this side, so now it's minus 12. 3x minus 4x, that is minus 1x, equals to 19 minus 12, that is 7. So now we're going to divide it with 1x on both sides of the equal sign. Minus 1x divide by minus 1, and that is 1x equals to 7 divided by minus 1, that is minus 7. So x equals to minus 7. And that is the result. And if you want to check if the result is correct, you can replace the result with x and multiply it with the number in front of x. So let's try that. 3 times minus 7 plus 12 equals to 4 times minus 7 plus 19. So 3 times minus 7, that is minus 21, plus 12 equals to 4 times minus 7, that is minus 28 plus 19. So minus 21 plus 12, that is minus 9 equals to minus 28 plus 19, that is also minus 9. So the result, minus 7, that was the correct result, because minus 9 equals minus 9. So that was the correct answer. So that was my talent.